Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a NIKA Petrol lighter. This is NIKA GENEVE Swiss made. And up top there it says Pat Ang Mod DEP. I don't know what all those are short for, other than I'm sure the first one is for patent. Many strange features about this lighter. Starting with the flint spring, which is a whole other animal from usual. So this fits in the hole, and then that arm holds your flint in place. Not sure, I've never seen a mechanism like this before. This is an, I believe, an aluminum lighter, which makes me think late 1940s, shortly after World War II. And it makes me wonder whether this flint mechanism, which I believe is heat-treated steel, whether that might have been a more readily available material. Functions really well. Has this diamond pattern machined into it. And then the rest of the lighter is basically just brush finish. Front here appears to have been worn a little smoother from use. Fill screw. Still has the gasket and the spare flint container. Push this back out. I'll show you something else. This roller comes out threaded in the opposite direction. incredible. So the direction you would normally tighten it, that one comes out. There's that flint mechanism. Seems very reliable. NIKA GENEVE, Swiss made. The roller is also on the opposite side, as is typical, but rolls in the typical direction. If you like old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Please tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with people nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Also, if you would like us and follow us across all the social media platforms, that would be Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and of course eBay. Also, if you have any comments about the NIKA lighter or any other lighters for that matter, you can leave that below. Until next time.